You've been learning English for months, maybe years. You understand videos. You read sentences. You even know grammar. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Why? Because you made one deadly mistake. Let me say this clearly. No speaking practice, thus no English fluency. You can watch 1,000 videos. You can memorize 10,000 words. You can study grammar every single day. But if you don't speak, you will never become fluent. And this is where most people are stuck. They feel like they're learning, but in reality, they're just consuming. Watching is easy. Listening is comfortable. Reading feels productive. But speaking is uncomfortable. Speaking exposes your mistakes. Speaking makes you feel embarrassed. So what do? You avoid it. And that's exactly why you're not improving. Maybe you're thinking, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? What if I sound stupid? Listen carefully. Nobody cares as much as you think. Everyone is busy thinking about themselves. And even if you make mistakes, that's not failure. That's progress. But your fear has trapped you. You are stuck in your comfort zone. And comfort is killing your fluency. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Fluency is not built by studying. Fluency is built by speaking. Speaking is not the result of fluency. Speaking is the cause of fluency. Read that again in your mind. You don't wait to become fluent to speak. You speak to become fluent. Now let me show you the magic. When you speak English, something powerful happens inside your brain. At first it feels slow. You search for words. You hesitate. You struggle. But every time you speak, your brain is building connections. Words start linking together. Sentences start forming faster. Your confidence starts growing. This is the magic of speaking. Speaking trains your brain in real time. Not passive learning. Active transformation. Think about how you learned your first language. Did you memorize grammar rules first? No. You spoke. You made mistakes. You improved naturally. English is the same. But you're trying to become perfect before speaking. That's the wrong way. Perfection is the enemy of fluency. Let me give you a simple example. Two students. Student A watches videos every day, takes notes, learns vocabulary, but never speaks. Student B speaks every day, even if it's broken English, even if it's just 5 minutes. After 3 months, student A still hesitates, still overthinks, still can't speak confidently. But student B, confident, faster, natural. Why? Because speaking creates fluency, not watching, not thinking, speaking. So what should you do now? Start simple. You don't need a partner. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to start. Here's a simple plan. Speak alone. Talk about your day in English. Stand in front of a mirror. Describe what you see. Record your voice. Listen, improve. Do it daily, even 5-10 minutes. Consistency beats intensity. Don't wait for confidence. Confidence comes after action. Right now, you have 2 choices. Stay comfortable. Keep watching. Keep waiting. And stay stuck. Or feel uncomfortable. Start speaking. Make mistakes. And finally become fluent. Your English will not improve by thinking about it. It improves when you speak. So start today. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Today. Follow for more real English growth. And remember, no speaking practice, thus no English fluency. You already know speaking is important. So why are you still not speaking? Be honest. It's not lack of time. It's not lack of knowledge. It's something deeper. You're addicted to preparation. You keep telling yourself, I'll speak when I learn more vocabulary. I'll speak when my grammar is better. I'll speak when I feel confident. But that day never comes. Because the more you prepare without action, the more fear you create. You're not learning anymore. You're hiding. Let me break this illusion. You don't need more input. You need more output. Right now, your brain is full, but your mouth is silent. And fluency lives in your mouth, not in your notebook. Here's what's really happening inside you. Every time you avoid speaking, your brain learns one thing. Speaking danger. So next time, you feel even more nervous. This is a loop. Avoid, fear, more avoidance, more fear. But there's only one way to break it. Speak even when you're scared. Because when you speak, your brain rewires itself. It starts learning. Speaking unsafe. And that's when confidence is born. Now let's go deeper into the real magic. Speaking does 3 powerful things. 1. Speed building. Your brain stops translating. You start responding instantly. Do's error correction. When you speak, you notice your mistakes, and your brain automatically tries to fix them. 3. Confidence loop. Each sentence you speak builds belief. I can do this. That's how fluency grows, not in silence, but in action. Now I'll give you a simple daily system. Step 1, 5 minutes, speak alone. Talk about your day. No stopping. Step 2, 5 minutes. Repeat and improve. Say the same thing again, but better. Step 3, 5 minutes, challenge mode. Pick a random topic. Success, failure, my goals, and speak. No phone, no translation, just you and your voice. Do this daily for 7 days. You will feel the difference. Do this for 30 days. People will notice the difference. Most people won't do this. They'll watch this video, feel motivated, and then do nothing. Don't be like most people. Because average effort are average results. You don't need perfect English to start. You need courage. And courage is not something you wait for. It's something you create by taking action. So speak today, even if it's broken, even if it's messy. Just speak. If you're serious about fluency, don't just watch, act. Speak 1 sentence right now and comment it below. I'll read it. And follow this channel, because the next video might change your English forever.